Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we are here test driving stock number D20756. Super clean 2013 Doosan GC25E-5 is the model number. This is a 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast that's approximately 186 inches worth of lift height. This unit does have side shift. Wade's gonna run it up for us real quick. It's equipped with 42-inch forks. This is running the smooth Hyundai 2.4 liter engine, LP gas for fuel. Has very nice, smooth, non-marking tires. New PM service and paint job ready for work. You can check out this forklift or any other forklift online at abetaforklift.com or at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you very much for watching.